looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass High Altitude in Jazz Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6370.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.